Hi everyone, this is me, Suhaib, and I just want to let you know what this channel will be about going forward in the future. So I have opened up a new clinic in Dubai, which is specializing in stem cell treatment, and basically you can call it rejuvenation. You can call it anti-aging treatment. Now, this is a treatment which is going to become more and more important as people learn more about this treatment going into the future. It has very specific health benefits, but also it has anti-aging effects as well. So I employ a set of doctors who are specialists in this area, and this is what I have started doing in Dubai. Now, a lot of people are unaware of what stem cell treatment is and why it's beneficial and why you might want to take this. Stem cells it's coming from a very specific part. It's going through a very specific manufacturing process in order for it to be delivered into your body, into your bloodstream. The important thing to take away is that the process of extracting stem cells, manufacturing them, and then obviously putting them into an IV drip so it can be, popped inside your body. It goes through a very specific process. The ones that we specialize within my clinic are very specific type, the highest quality ones that you can get. Because I was a little bit concerned that people are being sold stem cells which are coming from lower quality areas that I could say safely on the camera here. So it's important to always realize that when you are wanting to get stem cell treatment, you want to make sure that where the stem cells are coming from are clean, are coming from a healthy origin, more importantly, and they are of the highest quality. Okay, that makes an impact to your treatment. So this is what we specialize in, is making sure that you get the highest quality stem cells from the best, healthiest parts that you can imagine, and it's going to have the most beneficial impact for your body going forward. So this is what we specialize in. That's the first piece. The second piece is that what kind of treatments are we talking about here? Now, a lot of people, before I jump into this, have certain illnesses which can be treated, and there are some illnesses which are slightly more difficult to treat. Do they have a long-lasting impact? For some of them, yes. Some of them you might require repeated treatments. It depends on a case-to-case basis. I can also say that maintaining a healthy lifestyle actually helps you maintaining the impact, the effects for a long time. Some of the treatments I have seen is, believe it or not, autism. I was surprised. Even myself, I did not know you could treat autism, but you can treat autism as well. But it requires repeated dosages to make sure you can at least get a 30 to 40% increase boost from this. Not for that, there's certain skin conditions, certain other illnesses. All of this can be treated with stem cells. So the overall impact of stem cell usage is very, very beneficial. And of course, if you're in your 50s and you're in your 60s and you just want to, you want to have that youthfulness look. You want to look healthy. You want to look youthful. Stem cells will absolutely ensure that you get that. The whole procedure of stem cells is that it's creating the new cells within your body, okay? Now, of course, my doctors will explain better. For myself, who is the owner of the clinic, based on my basic knowledge of the entire domain here, the way I see it is that for me explaining it to yourselves, for me as someone that is seeing it from a customer point of perspective, the way I would explain it is that you go into the clinic, they put an IV drip into your arm, and they just let the fluids go through. And these fluids are going to make magical things happen within your body. It's going to create new cells, create new things, repair things, a whole bunch of new things. Of course, it might be doing something different in the process of repairing your body, But the way I think of it is just magical cells that are going in, that's fixing things, repairing things, starting new forms of business inside your body, that sort of thing. So the overall impacts of stem cells is really, really, really positive. Now, if this is something that you're looking for and you're looking to get treatment on, or if you want to have a consultation or you need some advice on, I 100% recommend having a consultation. I will leave a link in the description below. You can click on that link and you can go for a consultation. It'll be me or one of my team members will come. My team, I employ a very highly experienced team of stem cell doctors. We only specialize in this area. We do not do any of the other treatments. We have specially opened up this clinic just for stem cell treatment, okay? Now, if you want to arrange an appointment, you can jump onto a virtual Zoom call with me or one of my doctors, and we can have a private, confidential, one-to-one consultation for completely free, so you guys can get a better understanding, okay? Now, guys, we are at the premium end of the market. As I said at the beginning of the video, we do not source stem cells from unhealthy locations or low quality locations. We're sourcing it from the highest quality places that you can imagine. There's extremely good reason, because we want to look after our patients to make sure that when they're coming for repeated treatments, that those treatments is going to make sure that 10%, that 10%, that 10% is going to keep getting accumulated. Not in some other treatments whereby you'll receive 10% and it after over time goes to 0%, get 10% again, goes back to 0. That's a decay. We do not want a decaying effect. We want to have a long-lasting impact for stem cells being put inside your body. So we want to have an accumulation effect. In order to have that, we've got to source the best stem cells that are from where we can get, okay? All of this is legal. All of this is completely well written in the medical records, and there is nothing to be fearful of. It's a very well known treatment now within the industry, okay? Now, I should mention out, it can cost a bit of cash. It does cost a lot of money, this treatment. So we're not talking about $5,000 here. We're talking about more than that, okay? So if you do not have money for this type of treatment, which is below $5,000, I recommend this is something that you can reach out to us and have a consultation, but you won't receive what you're expecting. If you want to receive the best for the best or for the best value for your money, you got to pick up your budget. So just remember that we're talking in the region of more than $5,000 here to get the best of the best. So that's all I want to say today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on a consultation very soon. Thank you so much for watching.